This lady witnessed an abduction. Her friend was taken.
I also found this in the wallet. Ticket to a gala, show or something, but it's dated April 30th, 2013. It's almost a year from now.
Ticket's been torn. He saw the show.
He what?
They claim they saw flashes of light and then Ben Murphy and his crew disappear from his boat.
The same time the body dropped, that image was sent to us on a phone that hadn't been invented yet.
Time-traveling aliens are doing experiments on humans and making a power play.
We know where it's gonna happen next.
How do you even say that?
Hello? Jesus! Why did I come back to Wales?
You tell me.
Parties.
Whoa, you're 30 seconds out, Steve says in my app.
8, 6.
They are alien-human hybrid killing machines.
I think we're approaching Plan B.
The cloud cover has grown to twice its size.
It's what?
I don't know what all the noise is about, but I'm going outside to get myself some opiates.